Excuse my night clothes, but I just wanted to do a video for today, day 46. We had puppy visits yesterday, and it was very fun. We're very grateful and thankful for the owners that we chose because they are so sweet. We're going, hey, Charlie's trying to go to sleep, folks. Don't bite him. Oh, guess what? Blue has a name. His name is Louie. Huh, Louie? Oh, you're going to sleepies? Huh, Charlie, you're going to sleep? Ow! Ow! I already have a cut on my toe from you guys. No more. Hi, Gunner. Hi, Gunner. And Koa trying to dig down. We don't know why. He just likes to dig. Hopefully, Koa's parents don't have a really nice backyard. He may be a digger. No, ow! And I keep saying Kia, but it's not Kia, it's Kai, Kai. Learned that yesterday. What are you doing, Koa? You're gonna dig until you're tired? Yes, you like your belly rubbed. You're a belly rubbing boy, aren't you? And Mav, handsome baby. Charlie, you're gonna go to sleep with Gunner over there? Too much craziness over here for you? There's Frankie and Maverick frolicking. Hi. You're so handsome. No. Gunner, no. No. No with the pee pads, Gunner. Hey. No. That's why there's tape on here, to hold it down. Go play with your toys. Koa, what are you doing, Koa? Ow! Don't bite my toes. Frankie Fig likes to bite toes. Toe biter. Kai, Koa, Gunner, Charlie, McKenna, Toby in yellow, Louie's blue, Frankie Fig. Going nights. Going nights. You're a pretty girl. And Mav. Okay, guys. Good night.